Stock ownership should be simple, but it's not.
When you submit a stock trade today,
Your order travels from your broker
to an internalization agent,
to a routing agent,
to an exchange,
to a market maker,
to a clearing agent,
to a depository agent,
to a settling bank,
to another broker.
All those middlemen create a lot of barriers to access.
completely hidden spreads averaging 0.5%.
and days of wasted processing time.
But what if it didn't have to be like that?
We work with existing public companies
to keep track of their direct registered investors,
Using the blockchain for all transfers.
And regulatory reporting records.
So investors can trade directly with one another.
No fees.
No borders.
no headaches.
We use Stellar because the network works great.
and enables equitable global investing access.
Access to efficient capital markets is a basic human right.
Yet billions live without it, trapped in cyclical poverty.
Quality assets and wealth change society.
So Stellar community,
Are you with us?
Up now is a quick demo of a prototype book entry stock. First, we access an existing wallet with our cryptographic keys. Here we can automatically generate digital signatures that replace traditional bank paperwork. That means we can instantaneously send shares to any other approved investor account. All we have to do is type in our mobile account address and the computer wallet validates the destination and signs the transaction. Normally this process would take weeks, but you can see here in real time just how easy it is to submit a transfer to the Stellar network. Trades are similarly simple thanks to the Stellar decentralized exchange. Here we refresh our phone and the balance is transferred. Once settled, we can immediately audit the transfer on a public block explorer. This new transparency allows any investor to analyze a stock without data access fees. Here we can directly verify total outstanding shares, account balances, trade prices, and more without a central gatekeeper. At this point, executive interest and regulatory responses have been good, but we can't actually launch without a proper app for our Stellar assets. We don't want to use existing wallets because most prior book entry investors are older. They need an app without the complexities of base reserves, trust lines, or public keys. Plus, we want to offer investors a unique portfolio management experience akin to familiar broker apps. From our bootstrapped beta, users complained about clunky onboarding and KYC. So in response, we want to streamline investor identification, bank account connections, and digital disclosures to make it easy to join. Lastly, we want to build a blockchain proxy card interface for annual meetings so that clients don't have to trust our vote reports. This grant would help us do all that and bring book entry securities to Stellar. So, SCF, will you lead a global change in capital markets?